Introduction and how to get most out of this course.
This course assumes no or minimal knowledge about stock markets. It's suitable for beginners and students who want to learn about stock markets and how to invest. We would recommend if you could take notes while listening to the videos for best understanding.
How this video course is structured.
This video course is divided into 10 sections. Introduction. Basic concepts. How to analyze stocks to take decisions. How to perform fundamental analysis. How to perform valuation analysis. Advanced concepts such as pledged shares. Understand buy and sell process of stocks via Demat account. Tax treatment of stocks. How to use screener to shortlist stocks to invest. And finally, next steps to become successful as an investor.
Who am I, and what have I done before?
This course is designed by the founder. He brings 14+ years of experience as an investor in Indian stock markets. He has worked as a full-time derivatives trader during the great financial crisis of 2008. He made a return of 14% plus CAGR in equity markets after experiencing both bull and bear markets. He has an MBA from IIMC and past experience in investment banks such as Credit Suisse and Bank of New York Mellon. He is a big follower of Warren Buffett and a SEBI-registered research analyst.
What questions will get answered in this course?
We will try to answer a lot of questions such as: why to invest in stocks versus other classes? Where to start? How to open a Demat account and trade? Why fundamentals are important? Why valuation is important? Why price momentum is important for entry and exit strategy? Long-term versus short-term investing. How to read annual reports. Important ratios for fundamental analysis. Models for valuation analysis. How to use screener to find good opportunities. Best practices for investing. And last, but not the least, tax impact.
What will be the style of presentation?
This video course will be based on conversation between two characters. Curious L, who is a beginner like you and has a lot of questions. Expert Mike, who will answer most of the questions and will share his knowledge.
So what are you waiting for? Let's begin with this video course.